We're back with the exciting new non-diet diet that's all about the best times to eat. Let's be real. Sometimes there are things you just can't plan for. But don't worry. This diet's got your back even during your biggest food emergencies. Ooh, and they are loud when they happen and they blind you. But when you're on the go, right, and a snack attack comes on, you're rushing, right? Hard to keep up. Or even worse for me, when you're stressed and you're hangry, right, and you feel the urge to binge. We've all been there, right? Not so good results. So we're going to give you the best foods to combat your 911 hunger situations that are going to curb your cravings. Let's get to the first food emergency. When you're rushing around on the go, Dr. Crupain's got the answer for us. This is where a lot of diets go wrong. So what do you recommend we do when we're on the go?
Yeah, so the best thing to do is to try to be prepared, but in reality, that can be really hard. I know I find myself in scenarios where the only thing I can eat is from a gas station convenience store. But the good news is those places are getting better, so if you dig through the chips and the candy bars, you can usually find some good options. You can find some roasted nuts, some fruits and veggies that might be hiding in there, and also you can almost always now find some hummus and some Greek yogurt.
Actually, let's talk to Esmilda. Esmilda tried the non-diet diet, and she's here. Are you happy?
I am.
All right. So you were constantly running around, I understand. What's your typical... Actually, did this help you with that, first of all?
Actually, yes, it did. And I'm actually a trainer, and I hit a plateau for 2 years because, you know, life adversities come in and out of your life, and I gained a lot of weight, and I hit a plateau. So I would like to thank you because I lost 10 pounds.
Oh, my
and
goodness.
I still have like 20 to go, but I definitely... You know, every coach needs a coach, so I would like to thank you, and thank you, Dr.
God bless you. So what's your hack? What do you make to help you keep on the go without falling prey to all those bad foods out there?
Yeah, what I do, I have a sweet and savory tooth, so I'll usually have like some berries, some apples, and put them on Greek yogurt. And then when it comes to savory, I have Greek yogurt with some hummus, with some pines on it, and it's really, really good.
Esmilda, I'm very proud of you.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you.
The next food emergency is when you are stressed and you're hangry. Listen, the word hangry, you might not know this, is just added to the Oxford Dictionary. It's an official word. It's a real condition. Share with me what kind of a hack you got for all the hangry folks out there.
So this is the what to eat when hack for hangry. And you start, by the way, it's going to be, along with walnuts, the best snack of 2019, not just for
He
hangry.
loves his walnuts.
So you take chickpeas and you roll them so they're dry on some paper towel. Then you put a little olive oil on them, and then your favorite spices. I like rosemary, garlic, and cayenne. You put them in an oven, 345 degrees for 20 to 40 minutes. Rotate them a little bit, and they come out. Taste this. This is really
Actually,
great.
I'm going to taste this, but you please take it over to the audience here. Share it with them. Are you guys feeling hangry? Confused about what to eat when you're in a rush and on the go? Up next, this non-diet diet has your back. We're revealing the best things to eat when you've got a food emergency.
Okay, great, thanks. I need to get this over to Dr. Oz before he goes live.
Oh, hey, wait, Dr. Crupain, can you help me with this new study? I really need some help looking at it.
I'll be back in a few minutes. Dr. Oz, not here. He won't mind. Avocado toast, it's my favorite food to eat when you need some extra energy, which I could use right now. It's got healthy fats and whole grains, so it gives you a boost right now and keeps you going through the rest of the day. Oh, there he is. Dr. Oz, this is new data for your interview you're about to do.
Well, thank you.
Got it?
Is that my avocado toast?
No, not really.
That is my toast. Listen, check out our website and the podcast for the full plan. Got to interview these guys. Lots of information there, exclusive recipes, more helpful resources for your weight loss journey, and you can learn lots more in their new book, What to Eat When, a strategic plan to improve your health and your life through for both. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.